How to grow your LinkedIn connections fast. To grow your LinkedIn connections quickly, start by optimizing your profile. Use a professional photo, add a strong headline, and write a clear About section. A complete professional profile makes people more likely to connect with you. Next, send personalized connections request instead of using the default message. Tell the person why you want to connect. Mention shared interest, industry, or mutual connections. This increases your acceptance rate. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interest. Participate in conversations, answer questions, and connect with group members. Being active in groups helps you get noticed by like-minded professionals. Post valuable content regularly. Share tips, insight, achievement, experiences, or industry trends. Consistency builds visibility. Also use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Follow companies, influencers, and industry leaders. Interact with your content and connect with people who engage on the same post. Finally, stay consistent. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily connecting, posting, and engaging. By optimizing your profile, being active, providing value, and building genuine relationships, you can grow your LinkedIn connections quickly and professionally. Now you know how to grow your LinkedIn connections fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.